To access the Temu application on a PC, you can start by downloading it through your App Store or mobile device. Simply type in Temu and download the application, which can then be stored on your device. Alternatively, you can access Temu through a web browser by visiting their website. Once you have accessed the Temu application, you can verify your account and gain access to its various features. Since Temu does not have a PC application, you can use the web version by visiting their website, www.temu.com, which offers a range of features. Another option is to use an emulator such as BlueStacks, which allows you to download and install the Temu application on your PC. To do this, you would download and install BlueStacks, sign into your Google Play account, search for Temu in the Play Store, and install the application. Once installed, you can log into your existing Temu account or create a new one, and then browse, shop, and manage your account from your PC. Overall, accessing Temu on a PC is a straightforward process that can be achieved through either the web version or by using an emulator.